Copy. You guys know we had to stop at Buc-ee's when you're in Dallas. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You would think we're in Amarillo with how windy it is right now, but we are in Dallas actually. So tonight we're actually headed to Xtreme Raceway Park, which is in Ennis, Texas. So we've got the Mustang loaded up. We've got Cupcake and Kennedy is getting some stuff. We had to stop to get some ice for the ice tank, but we're about 30 to 40 minutes away from XRP, so Xtreme Raceway Park. That's where we had the flashlight shootout actually back in February, but it's an 1/8 mile track. It's known for being really sticky, but tonight's just a test and tune night. I think they're doing some grudge racing and then a couple index classes, but pretty much we have a rental tomorrow at the Motorplex, which is supposed to be radial prep, super sticky, really good track. So we're trying to just get ready for tomorrow. So I figured I'd come down a day early, kind of get the car situated, since we haven't been on a really good surface, haven't got some good test hits with the new setup. So we're headed over to XRP, gonna work on some 60 foots, see if we can't figure out a good 60-foot tune-up, and then we'll probably run it through the 1/8 mile just to see what it traps on different boost levels. But essentially we're just trying to get the car ready for tomorrow's rental. So hopefully tonight goes well, and we'll see you guys at XRP. Alright guys, we have made it to Xtreme Raceway Park and it is extremely hot out. So we are gonna just leave on about 6 pounds of boost to start off with, nice and easy, like a one and a half second ramp. And if it hooks, we'll start to turn it up. If it doesn't hook, well then we gotta start working backwards. So we're going to ice it down, get in the staging lanes, and see if we can get a first pass in.
Down lane. From the tree, no time right here, guys.
So pretty good pass, went 560 off the trailer, low boost, but we have huge transmission leak going on. So I'm gonna try and fix that and see if we can make another win. Oh yeah. Boy is leaking everything. That's right. Street car, baby, in the drive-thru. looking, dog. You see? My car is on the street. Goes through drive-thrus. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I'm really excited. Obviously I didn't go my fastest 8th mile out there, but we were really close. Fastest we went tonight was like 5:37, I believe. So obviously not the fastest I've been the 8th mile, but there's some good hope in there. We've realized what we need to do. Suspension's working good. Huge shout out to John Lund Jr. for the tuning, and he actually helped me out the day before with some suspension stuff for some good prep. So on the last pass, you guys will see, I tried to zoom in, but I shook the tires really bad. And if you've never shook the tires, it is an experience. I tell you what, I've actually never had it happen to me in any of my cars, and that was the first time. And it'll shatter your teeth and take a kirky right to your lower back. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Huge thanks to Kennedy helping out, Trey and Bo, TG Motorsports, and it's pretty cool. We got to bring Cupcake. We don't usually bring Cupcake because there's a lot going on, but probably the only time we'll be able to bring her for the summer, because after today it's going to start to get really hot. It was already like 90 to 95 degrees out there. It was pretty hot. So, but had an awesome time at XRP. Unfortunately, Joe wasn't able to run his car, which you guys will see probably in a previous video. But he did get to run his car at the Motorplex. So we are pretty excited. I got a few things I need to fix on the car. As you saw, it's leaking pretty good. Catch can fittings were loose. The trans pan is leaking a little bit. So definitely got some work to do, but we are headed over to the Motorplex tomorrow morning. Hopefully get some good passes in. We're gonna try and get out of there early. 1, because we got a 6.5 hour drive home, and 2, because it's just gonna get really hot and the track's gonna get greasy and it's gonna go away. So we're gonna get there early in the morning, hopefully get some good passes in the cool weather, and you guys will see that in the next video. But make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Orange Mustang for the win. Orange Mustang for the win.